Here it is, a Virginia-class nuclear submarine in the water, demonstrating its missile launch capabilities in a controlled environment. From above, the port stretches out, a hive of naval engineering with cranes, dry docks, and submarines in various stages of construction. The submarine glides into dry dock, ready for the next stage of assembly and outfitting. Welders and robotic systems secure the massive hull plates, ensuring structural integrity for deep-sea operations. Inside, the control room begins to take shape, with consoles and monitors carefully installed. Missile silos are positioned and tested, combining precision mechanics with advanced hydraulics. Interior panels are welded and reinforced, every seam carefully inspected for safety and strength. Aerial view of the dry dock reveals multiple submarines under construction, highlighting the scale of naval production. Hydraulic systems are rigorously tested, simulating real-world launch conditions for missile silos. The hull is polished and painted, giving the submarine its final protective finish before operational trials. Sonar arrays are mounted on the bow, enabling the submarine to detect and track threats with precision. Technicians thread wiring through the control room, connecting critical systems for navigation and operations. Torpedo room racks are installed, preparing the submarine for weapons storage and deployment. Engineers inspect every hull seam with handheld scanners, leaving no detail unchecked. Missile silo doors are fitted, a combination of hydraulic power and careful human oversight. Crew quarters take shape, with bunks, consoles, and ventilation systems installed for long missions. The reactor compartment is assembled with precision, demonstrating high-tech industrial standards without revealing sensitive detail. Hull welding continues, sparks flying as welders ensure the submarine's structural strength. Drone footage captures the full dry dock, cranes moving, and workers coordinating across this massive operation. Control panels are tested for the first time, lights flickering to life as systems power up. Missile bay wiring and hydraulics are carefully installed, ensuring smooth operations during launches. Torpedo tubes are calibrated with precision gauges, leaving nothing to chance. Pipes and ventilation systems are installed, creating a functional and safe interior environment. The hull receives its protective coating, keeping it safe from corrosion in the harsh ocean environment. Battery compartments are installed, powering the submarine for extended missions beneath the waves. Interior lighting is fitted throughout crew corridors, ensuring safe and efficient movement. Drone footage reveals multiple submarines in the dry dock, highlighting the scale of production. Engine rooms come together with turbines and auxiliary systems, ready for rigorous testing.
Alignment confirmed and locked.
Missile silo pressure systems are tested, confirming the submarine's readiness for operational deployment. Storage racks and cargo bays are installed, maximizing space efficiency for extended missions. Crane lifts move mid-hull sections into place, demonstrating the scale of these engineering feats. Control panels are powered up for initial tests, bringing life to the submarine's complex systems. Robotic arms in the torpedo room undergo operational testing, ensuring smooth handling of heavy ordnance. Engineers conduct exterior hull inspections, verifying weld integrity and structural soundness. Missile bays receive final assembly checks, ensuring each component meets exacting standards. Crew quarters are furnished with bunks and consoles, preparing for life on
board. The alignment looks good according to the schematic.
Drone captures of the port showcase the full scale of naval engineering in action. Technicians complete mock-up assembly in the reactor compartment, demonstrating high-tech precision. Hull welding continues with molten arcs, highlighting the craftsmanship involved. Final painting and coating inspections ensure a flawless, protective finish.
Let me check the exact thickness with the gauge.
Electronics testing in the control room begins, confirming operational readiness. Missile silos are fully assembled, ready for functional and safety tests. Torpedo room equipment is secured, ensuring precise deployment capabilities. Hull seams are scanned and inspected for perfect integrity. Life support and ventilation systems in the crew areas undergo final testing.
Let's move to section Gamma.
Cranes lift large hull sections, emphasizing the scale of construction. Interior lighting is tested across all passageways for operational readiness.
The warm glow is exactly as specified.
Drone aerials provide a sweeping view of the shipyard with multiple submarines. The reactor compartment sees its final panel installation, ready for operational checks.
It's returning to nominal.
Hull welding and seam checks continue, ensuring top-tier structural integrity. Exterior polishing and anti-corrosion coating bring the submarine to its final finish. Control room systems are powered up for the first full operational demonstration.
Reroute confirmed. Level stabilizing. Good.
Torpedo tube alignment is finalized, completing weapons preparation.
Acknowledged. Locking sequence finalized.
Missile bays undergo safety and operational inspections. Crew compartments receive final furnishings, making them ready for personnel. Drone footage captures the full shipyard, highlighting scale and organization. Reactor panels are secured, completing the high-tech assembly sequence.
Confirming green status on panel 7.
Missile silo hydraulic simulations demonstrate operational readiness. Engineers perform final hull inspections, certifying the submarine for trials.
Ultrasonic measurements are inconsistent with the schematic.
Aerial drone sweep showcases the entire shipyard with completed submarines ready for testing. The submarine is carefully floated into the water, marking the start of its trial phase. Drone footage captures the vessel in the water with the port in the background. Missile silo hydraulic tests are performed, ensuring all systems function flawlessly. Torpedo room operational testing confirms mechanical precision. Crew compartment systems are demonstrated, ensuring comfort and safety. Exterior cleaning prepares the submarine for inspection and trials. Final checks of interior wiring and electronics confirm system integrity. Drone shots of the port emphasize the scale of naval operations. Sonar arrays are calibrated for optimal underwater detection. Exterior robotic polishers apply the final finishing touches to the hull. Missile launch simulations demonstrate readiness of the submarine's weapons systems. Crew members undergo control room training simulations.
Power to section Gamma. I need stabilization now.
Acknowledged. Power flow restored.
Life support and cooling systems are tested for operational reliability. Drone footage captures the submarine moving through the launch channel. Torpedo room demonstrations show handling and deployment protocols. Hull seams are inspected underwater for perfect integrity. Final painting and anti-corrosion checks ensure durability in marine environments.
Confirms optimal range. Final approval granted.
Crew quarters receive finishing touches for mission readiness. Scene 79. Shipyard drone footage displays all submarines ready for water trials. Full control room systems are tested in operational mode. The submarine navigates the test channel, preparing for trials. Missile test simulations demonstrate system readiness. Drone footage follows the submarine through the channel, showcasing its maneuverability.
Systems check complete.
Interior
All
life
panels showing
support and
green
power
across the board.
systems undergo
Excellent.
operational
Stabilization
validation.
matrix is holding steady.
Exterior polishing completes the submarine's protective coating. Torpedo room final operational tests confirm precise mechanics. Missile silo doors open and close during hydraulic simulation tests. Drone aerial captures all submarines with port activity in full view.
Blueprints updated. Review the changes immediately.
Submarine positions for its final trial demonstration in the channel. A sweeping aerial shot concludes the documentary, showcasing completed submarines and the full shipyard in cinematic glory.